Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Dawn. Key plus ho plus T. Quixote. Don Quixote. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, players, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to our show, as today we feature the Battle of the JGs. On my right, our returning champion with about $14,000 in prizes, including a holiday in Germany. Please welcome Jeff Gilbert.
Hey, Alex.
Good to see you again, Jeff.
Glad to be home.
Yeah, and good luck to you today against the other JG. This is Jeannie Gibbs. Hi, Jeannie. Where are you from?
I'm from Goleta, California. That's a small town north of Santa Barbara. Been there for about 16 years.
Do you watch this show every day?
Every day, yes.
That you can?
That I can.
That you can. Do you practice with the home game?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I'm waiting to win it here.
Oh, all right. Okay. Well, let's take a look at one of the prizes you could win in this first game today.
This Whirlpool kitchen features a designer-style side-by-side refrigerator freezer with flexible storage and easy-to-clean features, a portable dishwasher with power clean washing system, and in-the-door silverware basket, and an easy clean-up electric range with electronic touch controls and a solid-state meal timer clock furnished by Whirlpool. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. All right, Jeannie and Jeff, take a look at the board. Here's where we're hiding all of that complete kitchen, all of those appliances at number 25. A Tampa spa and fitness resort vacation awaits you, possibly in this first game as well. Jeannie, you pick first, please.
Let's look for that spa vacation under number 8.
Word processor.
That's great. Maybe I could match that under number 22?
Maybe, but no, we have a red tick. Let's go over to Jeff.
One word processor. Let's find it under number 15.
1-5 is an 18-piece cookware set.
I need that. Let's go for the match under number 1.
That would go well with a complete kitchen. No, we get a word processor. Jeannie.
Dear. Let's see about number 8 again.
Word processor.
And number 1 for the match.
There you go, and the first match is yours. Well done, Jeannie.
Right, thank you.
Let's open up these two panels and take a look at what, well, let's see. We're not going to look at much, are we?
No.
Might as well select again.
Number 11. Let's see if I can find the spa.
200 California lottery
That's
tickets.
good, too. And maybe a match under number 16.
Diamond and ruby ring.
Nice.
No match,
Nice.
All right,
Jeff.
now I want the lottery tickets. Let's go for number 10.
Diamond and ruby ring.
Number 16.
I didn't think the ring was that funny. Almost lost it there, didn't you, Jeff?
I had my mind on the ticket.
Yeah.
But I
For a
want the
brief moment, you almost lost it. But it worked out for you, and you get a look at the puzzle. Select again.
Let's try number 22.
Red take.
And number 12 for the match.
No. Green take. Gene, can you make a match?
Let's see about number 5.
Red take.
And that was under number 22.
Red
All
take
right.
was indeed under number 22, and you get it. He's got the ruby and diamond ring.
But I think I'll save
Well,
it.
there goes the kitchen appliances and the dishes. You know that cookware set? Some of it is glass.
Okay, well.
Got a reduced price for you. Gene, you want to use the take now or later?
Later.
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 All right, let's open it up.
The way Jeff plays. No idea.
All right,
Okay.
select again.
Let's see if the spa is behind number 20.
Wild card is behind number 20. Now,
Sorry, Jeff. Number 11, please.
number 11 for the California lottery tickets. The other California lottery tickets are on the bottom line at 23. That's another prize for your column. Do you want to use the take now or save it for insurance purposes
I'll
later?
save it. I'll save
3
it.
doors will open up for you, Gene. Go again.
Okay. Number 19.
Tampa Spa and Fitness Resort Vacation.
Now, where's a wild card or a match under number 3?
3? No, we've got the wild card there, so that's looking pretty good. The other Tampa Spa and Resort Vacation is at number 4. You want to use the take now or save it?
Save it.
Still. 3 more panels opening up for Gene Gibbs. Can she solve this puzzle? Select again.
12.
It's the green
That's
take.
the green take. 14.
No, satin bedding. Jeff, there is still one wild card on the board.
And
the green take is in.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to find that green take of the wild card under number 2.
You're going to find the green take there.
And we're going to take number 12 for the match.
Now, strategy becomes very important at this moment, Jeff, because although you have the green take and could take the Florida spa vacation, Gene has the red take. You want to use it now and take your chances on being able to solve the puzzle?
Well, you know, I think I will take my chances and take the lottery tickets.
Take the lottery tickets, all right? Lottery tickets going over to Jeff's side, and he gets a chance to solve the puzzle and take the lead in this match right now. Pick again.
All right, let's have number 9, please.
Fishing trip for 2.
Okay. 18.
Treadmill. No match. Gene.
I like both of those. Let's see if we can make a match under number 7.
Complete kitchen.
And that was under number 25.
Yes, it was. Now, the green take is no longer in play. Does he have anything up there that you want?
I'm going to take the lottery tickets back.
Take the lottery tickets. All right. I don't know what it is about these 2 contestants and those lottery tickets, but they must know something we don't. We'll open these 2 panels.
Oh, dear.
Pick again.
Number 9.
Fishing
Oh,
trip
that was
for
that
2.
fishing trip for 2. Number 18, please.
Treadmill.
I just did that.
Kind of the same combination we saw just a few moments
yes,
ago.
it's amazing.
Jeff.
All right, let's have number 14, please.
Satin bedding.
13.
No, that's the fishing trip for 2, and there's still a wild card on the board. Jeannie.
Number 9, please.
Fishing trip for 2.
And number 13.
Here's the match. Could be a big payoff for Jean if she solves the puzzle, but she has to solve the puzzle.
Solve the
Open
puzzle.
the doors. Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 21.
I was wondering when we'd get to
Yes.
that one. There's the treadmill.
And that was under number 18.
Yes, it was. Treadmill is a match.
That I can use.
You're in good shape. You know, of course, that on your next selection, you'll have a better than 50-50 chance because of the wild card up there. We'll open these 2 panels for you right now, though. You may want to solve it if you can at this moment. On the other hand, you may not. So select again.
Okay. Number 24, please.
Wild card. Doesn't matter what you pick now, Gene. You're going to clear the board.
going
So
to do it, aren't
pick
I?
a number.
Number 17.
17. That's the 18-piece cookware set. We saw that earlier. Let's take a look at that. Number 15. 3 panels opening up. We'll show you 6 and 14. They match, of course.
Okay, there it is.
That's the satin bedding. And now, for every prize in this game but one, Gene Gibbs, can you solve the puzzle?
Idle hands.
Looks like it to me. Idle hands.
Okay.
Let's go to the board, Gene. Well done. Stay cool, and it's going to pay off.
Okay, I was waiting to see that second hand. There's the eye and the doll for idle, and then the 2 hands. Idle hands.
Idle hands.
Okay.
You make it sound so easy.
It was not
Jeff,
easy.
just your first strike, so we'll see you in game number 2 in a little bit. But right now, let's hear about these prizes that Gene has just won.
Oh, boy.
Gene, you tell Gene about it.
A fishing trip for 2, 200 California lottery tickets, and a treadmill, and 18-piece cookware set. Vitacraft stainless steel aluminum core cookware designed for waterless, greaseless, flavorful cooking for your health, furnished by Vitacraft. And satin bedding. Whisper Soft Mills luxurious super satin bedding, woven of 270 thread count, designed for comfort and elegance, furnished by Whisper Soft Mills. And a word processor. Smith Corona's easy to use all-in-one PWP 2100 portable word processor comes with an 8-line by 80 character display and features a built-in disk drive for unlimited storage and a Tampa Spa and Fitness Resort. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Tampa. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you may enjoy 7 nights of total fitness plan at Safety Harbor Spa and Fitness Center on Tampa Bay. Meals, daily massages, exercise classes, sports, skincare institute, and more. Furnished by Safety Harbor Spa and Fitness Center. And, of course, the handsome, complete kitchen. And, Jeannie, these prizes total, hold on to something, $11,339.
Just one win. You've almost matched Jeff Gilbert's total. You're the leader in the match. We're going to bring you back to play for a brand new car. Following this. All right, Gene. Big win in the game. Let's see if you can follow it up with a big win in this round.
That'd be nice.
Brand new car. Would be
Great.
nice indeed.
Yes.
15 numbered squares for you. 35 seconds. Base time on the clock. Good luck.
Okay.
Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No match.
5, 6,
No.
7, 1,
No.
2, 8,
No.
1, 8,
Right.
9, 7,
No.
4, 9, 10, 11,
No.
6, 13,
No.
14.
I think the 2-9 combination was the Wrangler, wasn't it?
Was it?
Was it the 2-9, folks? Yeah, they were paying attention out there. You missed that one, and that may have thrown you off just a little bit. But hey, $11,339 for one game is very good going. And we'll go away now and come back to start game number 2 following these minutes. Jeff Gilbert has 1 strike against him. He knows what's in store for him in this next game. He's got to win, or else it's goodbye to classic concentration. If he does win the game, he could get to enjoy this for a whole year.
Cultivate your sweet tooth while you indulge yourself in a childhood fantasy with this prize of ice cream each week for a year. Alex.
Marjorie is the only person on God's green earth that I know of who eats ice cream with a gardening implement. I'm sorry, I don't mean to tell tales out of school. It's a little better than last year. She used to just eat it with her hands. Let's show Gene and Jeff where you can find ice cream for a year at number 1. Now, we also have the 5 bonus car seconds in this game. We have a holiday in Kona, Hawaii, and we have $1,100 in the cash pot, and Jeff, you pick first.
Oh, good. Okay, let's find a wild card. Anything under number 13.
Anything at all. Cash pot,
pot, I want the cash
$1,100.
Okay, let's find a match under number 16.
Red take, no match. Gene.
I just returned from Hawaii. I want to go back.
All right.
Let's try for number 24.
Entertainment Center.
That would be great. I love that. Number 3, let's see if it's there.
No, red take. Jeff.
Oh, let's try number 16.
Yes.
And I think it's under number 3 for the match.
Golly! There you go. Red take for insurance purposes. 2 doors opening up. Pick again.
Okay, let's open up number 4.
Hardwood flooring.
Okay, and the match for that under number 20.
No, that's the holiday in Kona, Hawaii.
Oh, where's the wild card? Where's the match? 12.
Number 12 is a VCR.
That's nice. Match for that under number 23.
No, there's Kona, Hawaii. Jeff?
Oh, let's see now. I think let's try number 20. Oh, and the match under number 23.
Jeff, you're too coy. Too coy. Open these 2 doors. Kona, Hawaii in his prize column. Select again.
Let's try number 2
Leather garment bag.
for my trip, okay? And the match for that under number 10.
No, green take. Gene?
18.
There's a wild card.
Okay. Number 2. Was that the
Leather garment
garment
bag.
bag? Because I'm going to go back to Hawaii.
The other leather garment bag. Number 19. 3 doors opening up for Gene. Pick again.
10. Oh, that was the green take. And number 7.
No, Entertainment Center. Jeff.
14.
5
Bonus car seconds. And the match under number 11.
Yes! With the wild card. The other bonus car seconds are in the bottom right-hand corner. You've got the take, and you've grabbed the leather garment bag. You're going to Kona, Hawaii if you solve the puzzle.
I'll save it. I'll save it.
All righty. 3 doors opening up for Jeff. Select again.
Let's try number 21.
Diamond and gold brooch.
And the match under number 6.
Wild card, so it is a match. The other piece of jewelry at number 8. Do you want to use the take now?
Let's save it. Save it.
All right. 3 more doors opening up for Jeff Gilbert. Go again.
All right, let's try number 22.
Green take.
Green take, and the green take is under number 10.
Right. Want to use one of them now?
Yeah, let's use one of them now.
Garment bag?
Need it from a trip.
Leather garment bag needed for his trip. He's already won a holiday in Germany. Open these 2 panels for Jeff. Will he also be going to Hawaii? Let's take a look. Select again, Jeff.
Let's try number 5, please.
VCR.
VCR, and I think the VCR is under number 12.
That's right. Another 2 doors opening for you. What does this do? All righty, we're out of time. I'll put this away. We won't need it. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in when you think you can solve this puzzle. Number 1, 4, 7, 9, 13, 15, 17, 24. All right, Jeff?
Nothing there.
Is it nothing there? No. Gene, you get a free guess. All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to help you out. The first symbol, you can ring in, as you know, when the little green light goes on. The first symbol is someone writing, so it's right. And then you have TH plus a hen. Right then. Jeff?
Right then and there.
Is it right then and there? Yes. Jeff and I made a good team on that one. Let's go, Jeff. Now you explain it all.
Okay. We've got right, and we've got a TH plus the hen, and a hand, which is right then and. The TH plus the hair, right then and there.
All right, way to go. Big win for you. First loss for Jean. She's going to come back and play on tomorrow's program. We'll see you then, Jean. So long. Now, let's find out about these prizes, including a holiday in Hawaii. Gene, go for it.
A leather garment bag, a diamond gold brooch, and a VCR. Magnavox barcode remote control VCR with on-screen display is smart, very smart. Easily programs up to 4 events with a barcode scanner furnished by Magnavox. And Kona, Hawaii. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality. Furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Hotel King Kamehameha, rich in Hawaiian history, ideally situated in the heart of the quaint seaside village of Kailua. On the Kona coast, where tennis spa, luau's, deep-sea fishing, and much more await you. And the 5 bonus car seconds. A prize package worth $3,856.
I have a feeling Jeff's going to win a car when we come back.
Introducing all-time.
Let's go for it here, the 15 numbered squares. The clock is at 55 seconds, but you picked up the 5 bonus seconds, so you have a full minute. Off you go.
1, 4,
No.
7, 10,
No.
2, 7,
Yes.
5, 8,
No.
1, 3,
No.
6, 9,
No.
12, 15,
No.
11, 14,
No.
12, 14,
Right?
6, 11,
Yes.
9, 15,
No.
10, 9,
Right?
13, 3,
No.
1, 5,
No.
13, 5,
Right?
15, 3,
Yes.
8, 1,
Nope.
4, 8.
You got it. And congratulations with 11 seconds to spare. Tell them about it, Dean. New time.
Okay, Alex. Jeff, you've just won this Daihatsu Charade SE 4-door. Features a 1.0-liter single overhead cam 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Furnished by Daihatsu. A prize worth over $9,200.
You're leaving us with $27,089. Congratulations. Yeah, you've got to go. And we've got to go, too, after we hear this message from Dean.
Some of today's participants may receive, whatever the occasion, you'll remember it with great pictures when you take along the new Olympus Infinity Junior. Its full auto compact camera that's as smart as it looks. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Tomorrow. So long, everyone.
Bye.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.